Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this little stack of boxes back here we're going to dive into. So I basically just purchased several things recently and thought I would haul it with you, so that way if you don't want to see individual different videos trying out all of these products, you can at least see what I've purchased. And I did film with one of these products today, and man, it was interesting, and I don't even know how I'm going to handle editing that video, but let's dive into it. I've already done a video on the products in here. Oh my god, so gorgeous. This was like knocking it out of the park. So these are the products from the MAC Electric Wonder collection. So freaking gorgeous. So I actually loved everything that I got. I was super impressed. Usually with any brand, with any collection, there's going to be hits and misses. This was just like hit, hit, hit. I love it so much, and everything was amazing. So I have already used this. This is the Electric Wonder Natural Vice eyeshadow palette. Absolutely stunning, beautiful, pigmented, blendable, creamy, wearable, just any adjective that I could use to describe this. I just love this one so much. And the packaging to me was what really initially drew me in. It really wouldn't have mattered what the inside looked like because the packaging is so gorgeous, but luckily the inside is just as gorgeous as the outside. And I think I'm going to actually cut this out and do a little inspiration board, but just to have something that I enjoy and something to look at and all of these things that I can pull in, because this is so freaking gorgeous. So this is the Into Eternity Electric Wonder Iridescent Powder. I use this as a blush in the video. You can check it out. It's absolutely stunning. This one has a little bit of a glow to it, but not too much. It's just the perfect amount. So we have it right here, and it is absolutely gorgeous. A beautiful sheen, and overall I was just very impressed with this collection. A little mini mascara for free, and then I also picked up all 5 of the lipsticks. So again, let's just look at the beautiful packaging. Absolutely stunning. And I'll quickly swatch these for you guys. Naturalist, Let's Mace Around, Life in Sepia, Natural Born Leader, and finally Feeling Sentimental. So those are the colors from left to right. We started with the Naturalist and ended with Feeling Sentimental. So as you can see, very beautiful wearable colors. This is kind of a range of finishes. We got a couple of lusters, a couple mattes, and then a satin. So beautiful, beautiful formula, beautiful packaging. I cannot rave about it enough. I was so pleasantly surprised to find that I really loved everything, and that's difficult. Everybody's got different tastes, different opinions, different preferences, and yeah, they really blew me away. Let's move on. I picked up a few things from Sephora. First, I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I opted for the mini guy of this because I do switch between eye primer, concealer, and things like that, and this is a pretty generous size for 13 bucks. So here is the packaging. So here's the primer. I'm just gonna do a quick little swatch. It's got a really nice neutral pale color, so this will definitely make some bright colors pop, and that is definitely what I had in mind when I picked out the next few items. I could not resist. I got all 3 of these neon Huda palettes. They're just so freaking gorgeous. They don't have the actual name on it, but I think it's called the Neon Pink Obsessions. So this is the pink one. They're so beautiful. I need to get in and take some pictures of these before I swatch and play. And then the neon green. So stunning. And then we have the neon orange. This one actually might be my favorite. I felt like it was going to be the pink or the green, but honestly this has a little bit of diversity in it. It's got orange, it's got a little pop of pink, purple, green, yellow. It's got a little bit of everything, but I feel like this is going to be perfect for summer. The last thing from Sephora, this is the Violet Voss I Donut Care Fun Size Eyeshadow Palette. So I've had my eye on some of them for a while, but none of the colors that were out were really grabbing me and be like, oh, I gotta have that one. But when I saw this one, I had to have it. Not only is the donut packaging super adorable, but the colors are so cute. They're definitely more of spring, summer fun, but there's also some neutrals there. You could definitely create a normal eye look. I could go in with some of these browns and kind of call it a day and be simple, but we've got a pop of a magenta, a pop of blue, this little aqua shimmer. Look how pretty. So yeah, really just a gorgeous palette overall. So I just swatched that on the primer. So a few shades so that you guys can see the colors on top of the primer there. And Tarte was also having their deal where you could like build your own makeup bag. I think it was like $65, $68, something like that. Ordinarily, of course, I would just buy my Tarte products at Sephora or Ulta, but this was a really good deal. So the first thing you could pick was a bag. Now they had a marble one that I wanted that sold out really quickly, so I opted for this one, which is the sequined flamingo bag. Next, for the foundation, I got the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation. I got 12 in, which is fair neutral. So this has the new top on there. The previous ones had a different top on them, and I think they were a little bit faulty. I know that I think I had one and it just wasn't quite right, but this seems much nicer. I like this. I also got the Hair Goals dry shampoo. I have gone through a whole can of this in the past and really liked it. So this was an option between several different products and I just had to have this one. I go through dry shampoo like crazy. I normally wouldn't buy mascara, but this one was so cute and it was an option where you could pick different mascaras. And this is the limited edition Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. And this was like the fairy packaging, but it's so cute. And it even has like a little tassel there and a star. I just thought that was so adorable. I opted for a blush in the shade Dazzled. So this is the blush packaging. Let's see. And that is the shade right there. It looked kind of like more muted but pink, and then it's got like a little bit of a shimmer to it. So I felt like this would be great for summer. It's hard to see. I swatched it there, but it's kind of muted, and these do apply really nicely with a brush. Blushes don't always swatch the best. I got the Sea Goddess Color Splash lipstick. So here is the box. I actually don't have any of these formula, but I have kind of like eyed them up. The packaging is gorgeous. And this is a little bit of a bolder color. Funny enough, it's like kind of similar to the family that I'm wearing today. So that's the shade Sea Goddess. It's a really pretty formula. There's a card in here. It's 15% off if you guys are interested. It's Love 15 at checkout, and they also put in a sample of the Squeezy Clean face wash from their Sugar Rush brand. And then the last thing that I chose was the Clay Pot Amazonian waterproof liner, and this is in the shade Margarita. So this is a very bright green. I do like these liners a lot. So this is the shade Margarita. Alright, so one more box to go. This one was kind of a big one, and they had a couple different deals going on that I wanted to take advantage of. So first I picked up the Juvia's Place foundation. I got the shade Isla, and that's the box. I filmed with this earlier today, and I'm still like shocked. More to come on that. I don't even know what to say about it. I also picked up the BH Cosmetics Santa Fe palette. Lord knows I don't need another palette, but BH Cosmetics has some of the best palettes and they're so affordable. So I love to get their products so that I can give them a little bit of hype. Even if one other person is like, yeah, I need that, they deserve it, because their palettes are just absolutely stunning. So this is the Santa Fe palette. Very like warm, late summer into fall. So beautiful. You've got like that turquoisey blue that's so gorgeous. And yeah, I had to see what this palette was like, because generally speaking, they blow me away. So I'm gonna swatch a few. So here's some swatches. Are you kidding me? Wow, and 3 of those are mattes. I have to add that. Sometimes shimmers always swatch great, but mattes swatching like that, but that's what I'm talking about. So good. This was the one MAC product that I actually ordered from Ulta. So this was the bronzer, Next to Nothing bronzing powder in Canyon Dreamin', and this was absolutely gorgeous. Again, I will have that video linked below if you want to check it out, but amazing stuff. I just actually uploaded that yesterday. And then if you bought a, like, I think a tanning product, you could get this beach towel. So I got the Loving Tan Deluxe Bronzing Mousse in the shade Medium. I've just always wanted to try Loving Tan. Obviously people rave about it all the time, but I just kind of wanted to see for myself. It is definitely on the pricey side. It has to be pretty good for people to rave about it like that, but fingers crossed I'll like it too. And then it came with this free beach towel, which is just really cute. So this is one end of it. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then the other end has like watermelon seeds. It's so cute. So I am going to be going to the beach in a few weeks, and I needed a beach towel, so why not? And finally they had, I think it's if you spent $65, you could get this. And every Friday for the summer, if you check back Friday morning, they have like a different deal every Friday, and this was the big deal, and I'm really impressed by this. So this is from Sunbum, and I've seen their stuff before but never used it, so I'm very intrigued. So it has the Sunbum Revitalizing Shampoo and Conditioner. Not to mention those little monkey faces are so cute. The bag itself, it says trade everything for love, and it has the little monkey face. And then the little pull on the zipper is also the little face. The face 50 is SPF 50, lightweight, oil-free, water-resistant. I got the 3-in-1 leave-in revitalizing conditioner for hair. I'm saying it came with a lot of stuff. And then this is the SPF 30, also water-resistant. It's gluten-free and vegan. And then 2 lip products, the Pina Colada Cocoa Balm. I didn't open this one yet. Ooh, that smells good. Definitely smells like pina colada. And then one last thing, the tinted sunscreen lip balm SPF 15 in the shade Sunset Cove. I guess you're supposed to take like the entire label off to actually open it. Weird. So what you're left with is like this little wood packaging with a pink bottom. Just a little soft pink tint to it. A lot of really good things in that. So I got all of that for free with the order. So I'll definitely be checking back on Fridays to see if there's any other like great deals. That was everything that I purchased recently. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my purchases as of late. I definitely buy too much makeup. Like I don't need any of this, but I will be using a lot of it in videos. And if there's anything you've seen that you specifically want me to make sure that I film with, definitely leave that in the comments below so that I know to film with them. I've already filmed with this, but I don't know what to do. And definitely, if you haven't seen it, go check out my MAC Electric Wonder collection. I did a whole video for that. And that's it. If you like this video, be sure to leave me a thumbs up and let me know so I can continue to do hauls for you guys if that's something you want to see. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to turn on notifications. That way you can see when I upload videos. I'll also have a giveaway going up when I hit 12,000 subscribers, which is like right around the corner. So be sure to subscribe and get us there. And I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.